Yeah. Okay, it's a little bit.
You were walking on the moon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over my favorite skincare products that I feel like, okay, it's a little bit. The one day I'm talking about skincare is the day that I'm like having the worst breakout that I think I've had in a long time. But I have very, very dry skin. For those of you who I may not know, but yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first product that I use on my face, it's out of order. Okay, so what I use on my face, basically I take a shower every night. So whenever I take a shower, that's kind of when I like get everything off my face. And I use baby shampoo. I usually like to use the lavender one since like I'm taking off my makeup. I'm probably like getting ready for bed, so just my personal preference. But I don't even remember the last time I bought this, but I use this to take off all my eye makeup, and it's great because it's gentle on your eyes because it's made for babies. So yeah, I think this is probably like maybe $5 at Target. Everything you can get at Target, Sephora, or Ulta. So then what I use to take off like the rest of my makeup is Clean & Clear's Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash. I like using night products because it just kind of, sometimes they put like essential oils in there and it just helps you like get ready for bed and helps you wind down. But I do like half a pump of this and it takes off all my makeup. And then I have a Clinique scrubber that I use, but it doesn't really work right now. So I've been using my hands, but I just make sure to wash my hands before I touch my face. So then, oh, and I think that's probably around $10 at Target. So then after I take all my makeup off, I use Witch Hazel. This is $8 or like $8.49, somewhere around there at Target, and you get it like where the band-aids are. So that's where you can find this, and this does wonders. It gets rid of all those little tiny bumps that you get from like sweating. And so if you live in Texas, I highly recommend this because you sweat a lot when you live in Texas. So this is really good. I usually just put a little bit on a cotton pad and then swipe it all over my face to just get any leftover dirt that was on my face that you can't see. So it's really good, and it always feels like really cold and tingly on your face, which I love. So then the next product that I use is called Bio Oil, and it just helps get rid of like acne, scars, and stretch marks and all that. So I just use it on my face, but if you have like stretch marks that you don't want anyone to see, or like scars, this also helps get rid of that. I used to have a scar underneath this eyebrow and it is pretty much gone, and I don't even use this every night. Like I probably use it maybe once or twice a week, but I try my hardest to use it every night. And this, I want to say this was probably $10. I can't remember. I got this a long time ago. I got this like February, probably around February, and you do not need a lot. Like a little goes a long way with this and the Witch Hazel. Really all the products that I use go a long way. But yeah, so I just put this over my face after I've toned it and gotten all the dirt in. And yeah, I think that's about it for this one. The next product that I use, it is from Sephora, and it is the most expensive product that I put on my skin that I use, unless I get like a tester from Sephora. But this is Fresh Rose. It's by Fresh, but it's the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, and it works amazing. Like I can wake up the next day after using this and my skin feels so soft. Like it really locks in all the moisture, and I can't remember if I said this or not, but it's $40. So yeah, I really recommend this product. So once I've taken off all of my makeup and I've got basically everything on, I like to go in with this spray, and it's from Mario Badescu Skincare. It's the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So I just kind of use this to spray on my face to like lock in everything. I'm not sure if it actually does anything with like locking it in. I just feels nice, and it smells good, so that's always a bonus. This you have to get at Ulta because Sephora doesn't sell this, but it's $12, and if you have enough points you can get it for free, because that's how I got this one. I was gonna get the small one, and they're like, oh, you have $12 saved up, do you want to use it? I was like, actually, yeah, I do. So then I just went and got this one, and it ended up being for free. So yeah, that's basically all my skincare products that I try to do every night, just so that my skin stays nice. But I don't wash my face every night. I know that's bad, but sometimes I just forget. Like last night I didn't wash my face, so this is the end result. Even though I didn't wear makeup yesterday. But it's still super important to like make sure you're washing your face every night. And if you try using any of these products, do not expect it to work like overnight. You have to give it a while. I actually told my aunt to use it, and I said give it 2 weeks. Like anytime you test something new, you have to give it like at least a week. But I told her to wait 2 weeks before she made a decision on whether or not she thought this was a good skincare routine. And she came back to me like within a few days, and she was like, oh my gosh, I love this product, like I love these products. I was like, yay, I recommended something and it worked. But I told her, I was like, look, whenever you first like change your skincare routine, it's gonna pull everything to the surface. So like if you have a bunch of pimples at first, that's fine. Now if you have a rash, that's something different. But just so y'all know. Okay, so that's all for this video. So if y'all could like leave a comment down below of what videos y'all want to see, just let me know, because I'm not creative, but I'm gonna try to be for y'all. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all next time.
So don't let anybody tell you that you're not loved, and don't let anybody tell you that you're not enough.